Nah, that's easy. One analysis. That's where I would
Okay.
put.
Yeah,
And
cooked.
a comment.
Cooked.
Okay, I think we got. Do I care about anything else? Ah, that's one I could actually take. Okay. Hello everybody. Okay, that looks a bit big actually. Yeah, maybe it's good enough. You see guys, we got the chat there. And
Well, I don't see.
I think it's in the wrong order though, but it's okay. Yes, good. Let me grab some.
Finally, the screen isn't black anymore there.
I'm gonna grab some water real quick. Yo, what's up? Okay, so where are we today, by the way? Let me quickly just do this. Okay. It's so weird to have the chat like this.
Damn, it's fire that you can see the platform and stuff, yeah.
Yeah, wait, let me...
It's really fire.
I need to probably like... Can I launch it as a separate? I can. Because then I can just keep the... Yeah, that's way better. But I cannot do that.
What did the guy on Kick send? What?
Hey, what the fuck? How do I...
Harold, go to Lucas' livestream and see what the guy on Kicks said.
This is so
okay,
weird.
It's probably a bot.
Oh yeah, I
what did you
forgot.
say?
Wait, it actually takes those messages as well. Yeah, okay. I think maybe the kick messages I wouldn't... I should probably not have them, right?
I would only remove them when like a quad occur too often. But I guess it's like 3 minutes into the stream and one of them.
They are gonna occur often. Let's see if I can quickly disable, because that's like there are some good user at Kick, but like most of them are just these bot messages, and yeah, you know how it's gonna go.
No, but really.
So let's see. Can I filtering chatter name, hide comment chat? Hide comment chat bots. Nightbot stream mob move bot with bro. I don't have a bot though for what am I hearing? Who's in a car?
School,
What?
Should I send you my school template timetable, bro? What?
Whatever.
Sure,
It's
buddy.
crazy this week.
Anyways, it's crazy. Hans had this thing. You can apparently do Vulkan without pipelines.
Yeah.
That's with shader objects. What the fuck? What the what is that? What do you do then? Like, how does it work?
It's like basically like a state thing.
But aren't like what do you mean by like a state thing?
Like, you know, like in dynamic rendering, how you just set it when on the fly, basically. That's how you do it here. It's like bunch of, like, you basically, you will see.
What?
Like, I also didn't use it yet, you know, so I'm also not experienced in it.
Let me see.
Oh, there you
I'm quickly gonna try
Not big
to.
Wait a minute. You have GL? No, you have GSL, not GLSL. Oh, damn. And you have
Yeah.
HDR, and you have damn, Tisha, you have a bunch of stuff.
Okay. Anyways, we'll continue just adding the who's having a radio on or something? Like I swear to God, I hear a radio. Ah. Has somebody done a commit or anything lately?
Hey, do you see how
Lorenzo.
much?
Yeah, bro, you cooked.
But do you see how many lessons I also like don't take place? Like on Wednesday, normally I would have 10 hours.
Aye.
This is
10
now you
hours?
see everything which is gray and which is green, like doesn't take place because the teacher is sick.
Damn. But also, like, what the hell happened to that, like, 8-hour sleep, 8-hour rest, 8-hour work, whatever?
Yeah,
Bro,
nah,
10 hours? The fuck?
Nah, it's cooked.
Hello, Topex. It's kind of weird because I had a chat now like differently laid out, so I'm like, I have no idea who's typing. I just see messages. Oh, wait, no, I can see the name. Okay, good. Anyways, let's see. I think we can still. The next thing would be the device, and I think that is still fine the way it is because we got actually a physical device. But the device as device, we can have a file called just device and have both physical and logical device in it. Client.
Actually,
Render.
I will join you.
Yeah.
A little break can't hurt, right?
Right.
Well,
Lucas,
Because
you
maybe
should
we
also join us.
stream it.
Alright, I'm coming in too.
Yes,
Yesterday
bro,
was good.
Lucas,
Nah,
if Damon
nah,
is
nah.
joining,
Nah.
Damon, please. Please,
You're
Damon.
joking?
Nah.
Dude, I'm cooking over here.
But
Okay,
you don't know
bro.
how you will cook over here.
Are we playing solo or?
No.
Yeah,
You don't know what I'm cooking, T-Chef. You just wait. I'm almost ready.
Wait, Tisha, are you in?
I'm in solo.
Yeah. It's like in the helicopter right now, right?
No.
Oh.
Ah, fuck, it's probably because we're not high level or like same level.
No,
I'm
like
pretty
wait,
sure.
exit your match.
Let's see.
Because I'm
Okay,
not
and
13
then-
or 12. I'm 12. Right?
Actually
I'm-
missed some.
I'm 13.
Okay, right, I joined.
Oh, I didn't take the full thing. What the fuck?
I'm connecting. Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
yeah,
I'm
it's in.
35 seconds, yeah.
Yeah, I see you. I saw you. Didn't
Fantastic.
We'll see how we do about this. Submit single is still a really good thing, I feel. But
Lucas, come play this game with us.
no,
Bro, this game is banger.
no.
No, bro, you like it. You played it.
I
Like
have.
2 times, actually.
Yeah, I know.
It's like way more than usual.
Yes.
But I can.
Yeah, that means it's the best game you've ever played.
Okay, what the fuck is going on
Better
over here?
than, how's it called?
Why does it think that there is?
This-
Planetary Sigma.
Expected statement found end of file.
I forgot to ping, by the way. I should do this.
Yeah, you should. That's okay.
Hey, T-Chef.
Alright.
Why can I not? What is this wrong here? This is fine.
Nah!
Okay, I'm gonna try again.
Nah, what? The fuck?
That go to.
Bro, no, not sure you're playing with just shields, T-Chef.
No, I'm not. Bro, there's 2 guys teaming up here. I will tell you. Alright. Whoa on that.
Yeah, that's what happens when you mess with the big Herald.
Wait, guys, if you're
Well,
gonna
we
be
watched
playing,
that two
if
guys
if you guys gonna be playing game, could you go to a different?
Yeah, we can move.
Alright.
Wait, we'll move after this match.
Yeah, that's fine.
Or not? I can.
Let's see. Rescue family. I think that's fine to store in the physical. Find. Well, that's a bit misleading, I think. Well, you find a physical, but I would still call it just init. Just to keep it persistence. You don't de-initialize a physical one though, but it's still fine. Let's see, init device count, you get the amount of devices. No physical device, that's okay. Devices, just physical devices, then you get them. We could... Nah, if you have more than 8, that's kind of weird. Devices, device count, go through them, get the properties. Family, family count, and then 16. Usually you don't have more than... I haven't run into that here, but let's see. Families, family, and then the count. This is probably something I should do, that you should pass in, because this is like, if I want something different, you could ask for that. Yeah. On the surface? Why are surface here? Okay, let's see. But I can do that. Percent support, VK bool, check, physical surface, Chronos, percent supported, device, incast. Support, graphics, percent support, Q family, return, okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, unless... Nah, I'm gonna keep it like that. How much time do you actually spend to implement Vulkan in your project? I have never tracked it, to be honest. I wouldn't know. I just spend the time learning about more Vulkan stuff. It's a lot. It's a lot of hours. And it's always something new that comes. For example, now we have all of this, which I would like to try out. So we're gonna try out a lot of these things. All of them and probably even more as it comes out. Right now I'm just making sure I'm taking up my old code that I used to have and trying to... Oh yeah, create the new... the new renderer for the new project and make it a bit cleaner at the same time. This one is a bit weird, but it's fine. I'm starting Vulkan. I don't know, like I used to recommend Vulkan tutorial.com before for it. But now it's really outdated, to be honest. But it's a great tutorial. It explains a lot and good in depth. But as I found out, the modern tutorials are kind of bad in my experience compared to the Vulkan tutorial.com. But that one is also outdated, which is it's great. So yeah, I find that probably just best is just trying out more shit and figure it out, but tutorials I found not being that good. Well, I haven't tried all of them, so, but the ones I have tried, I didn't like. Hello, Penguin Operator. Is everybody from YouTube today? Nobody's coming in from Twitch or anything like that. Let's see, we're gonna call it this one just physical device, logic, physics, physical device, I think. I did I used to call it, yeah, physical device. I think that makes sense. Physical, that's not it. Device. And it's a VK. Well, actually, we don't even have it here yet. So what we can do is just do a const. And then what we can do here is you can call it just physical device. is equal device at import Vulkan device, and then this one just physical, like so. And then we can go, oops. And then in here, whoop. No. What the hell? And then in here, we just say that we want to use the physical device is equal to dot init. And then in here, we're gonna pass in the instance, and then the second thing, what was the second one? Surface. Which I'm thinking would be maybe better if I did actually pass the pointers. It's no error? No, there's an error. Like, okay, so now we will have the physical device, and what we can do now, we also go to here, and then to surface, and then here we can, yeah, we can do the physical device. It will be a physical device, like so, and then it's gonna complain. Not here, I was hoping. Physical device is equal to physical device, like so. And in theory, this should work. Client. Unable to Vulkan, file not found, Vulkan device. Yeah, we're not gonna have that. Forgot about it. We don't have the BK included in here. If you want the instance, we're gonna just tell it explicitly that it's gonna be instance. Import. And how do I instance and Zig there? And then we are not gonna do. God. Wait, this should work. Why am I not? And then same for surface, but surface comes from the actual thing though. Surface. So what do I do here? Do I say I cannot get it because it's outside. Maybe I should no because it's so. Can I do this? Oh, that's a bit disgusting, but it's. But I could take its pointer also, and then it could work. Wait, but surface. Hold on, no. Surface wouldn't be the actual. Surface would. I could also just take the actual surface as it is from the sea, and then just pass that. Yeah. So we could say we can do a VK surface just to be clear about it. Yeah, that's better, because then I don't have to do that. And of course, this is not a Vulkan. Is it Chronos Surface? How the fuck is it called? Chronos. I know it's something like that, but I would like to get the C to work. And if I want to get that to work, I would probably have to do something like this weird ass thing that I did last time, where I just said that const lol is equal to c dot pk physical device. Do that once, and then I don't know, then it works randomly, but that doesn't seem to work right now. Okay, we can go to Vulkan, and based on your experience, how many gigabytes of GPU RAM would you suggest for Vulkan? I mean, you don't even need, you don't need even gigabytes. I've never thought about it, but I used to have 8 gigabytes on my GTX 1070. Now I have 16, I think. Yeah. But I wouldn't say that you need, like, depending on what you're gonna do, but if you're just starting out, I don't think even you're gonna reach 1 gigabyte on the GPU. You shouldn't, at least, unless if you do some weird ass 4K, because the isn't like the most likely the thing that's gonna take most space are use B-top. B-top won't work. Like the thing that's gonna take most space for use the textures most likely. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't show my GPU. I tried to figure that out why, but it doesn't seem to be able to load it. And I don't know why, because it does Peter. Well, unless if it's click 0. What do you mean click 0 or 1? General. Yeah, I don't know. Would be nice to see it, but I don't know. I couldn't. So yeah. Press 1. Oh. You can do that. Nah, you don't need. You don't like 8. I don't think you can get less than 8 gigabytes of VRAM anyways nowadays. That would be kind of interesting if you could. 0 does nothing. Oops. But you don't have to worry about that. Just start doing stuff. Like if you run into problems, then you can worry about them. But before you don't have problems, don't worry about hypothetical problems. For GPU, it's 5. 5? Yeah, 5 does nothing. Unable to load Vulkan. Yeah, that was what I was trying to do. And then I went into here, and then I realized that what I want is VK Surface Chronos. So what I want to do in here is just VK Surface Chronos. And then Vulkan, that would be the... Well, that would be just a const. You could just call it check. It's equal to import utils.zig.check. Let's see. Thanks. Yeah, no worries. Weird. Yeah, it is kind of weird, but you know. Wait, it's like this? No, wait, how do I want to do a... How do I forget this always. Is it just M? No. Doesn't recognize it. Space M. Select all. Oh, okay, it did select them all. Yeah. And then I don't want anything to do with this. And then surface by default will be just that. And we're gonna have to do still this. Who are you? Hello, Tony. Are you Tony Stark? That would be pretty fire. I'm just a guy doing Vulkan and trying to make a game. That's basically who I am. I don't know if that's a person you can be. That's what I'm doing. I'm Lucas. That's the answer to the question, I guess. Vulkan surface, my bad. Okay, let's see. And let's see. Expected type, Vulkan's found render. Right, I'm passing the wrong thing. In the file. It should be here, but it's not telling me that it's wrong here, but I know it's wrong here because this should be the dot handle. And look at that! Hallelujah! It went through.
Hallelujah!
Comfortable Vulkan implementation testing only. And there it goes, and then pick device, AMD Radeon. I wonder if I should add this to my B top and I might be able. I don't know if that makes sense. Q Family 0 apparently had the graphics bit, so that's pretty good. We're getting somewhere. Winter is coming. Besides that, well, what do you mean besides that? Who am I? What do you mean besides that? What's your degree? Oh, I don't have a degree yet. Oh, well, nah. I'm studying computer engineering second year. Yeah. That's what I'm doing. And that, if that's what you wanna know. I do, though, have a degree in, from a, which university? Well, this university. It's from Finland. I'm in Finland. This is where I study. It's in Swedish though. I don't know. There's the right because or the school. Well, it's also English, but yeah, I guess better to show it. This is where I study. Pretty cool, eh? But I do have a degree also in from a vocational school, I think it's called. Yeah. Where in web development, CSS, HTML, and PHP, and a bit of JavaScript. Yeah, that's also what I got. Very old stack, right? I don't know why I got taught how to do those things, but nobody. Well, I guess I'm from India. Ah, okay, cool. We have a cool guy also from India. He Elliptic. He's called. He joins also these streams every now and then. He has been joining U3 last time. Every time. You would like him. He's pretty cool. He helped me with some hot reloading stuff. I was confused. Tony Stark name with Game of Thrones. Yes. Looking for data science people in Twitch. Ah, data science. It was Iron Man. What kind of wait? Because what is this just like scientific study like about data? Well, data analysis then, or like what is it? We're gonna look into creating the logical device now, I think, yeah. I'm gonna call it actual device. I think I would just call it logical. Like I do in here. Because like, you have the logical one, right? You have the device and then... I'm probably not gonna do these things, right? And the command pool... That I would do. But I'm a bit unsure about this fence thing, because I would like... Which one was it that was supposed to replace fence? Or like doing combination? I think it... I haven't read completely into it, but I think it was this thing. Not replacing, of was it replacing? I don't remember. I have a vague memory, but so I'm a bit unsure that I would do well because the immediate, that's also a good thing to think about. But for now, I'm not gonna think about having that. This we will have to do. This we'll have to do. Yeah, there's nothing replacing command pools so far yet. We're not gonna think about the immediate thing, are we? Not yet. Nah, I don't think so. Maybe? We'll just take the code back when we need it. Right now, I'm not gonna be concerned about that. We're not gonna be concerned about that. We're not gonna care about. Wow, look at that! And what else do we care about? So public structure command pool. Why would I recently completed my undergraduate in computer science engineering, artificial learning, machine learning, and jobless. Yeah. Yeah, I'm no expert in the job market. So that can't really help you there, buddy. AI. Yeah, AI, machine learning. Yeah, okay, that makes more sense. I was like, there's so many terms in that field, so I was like, is there actually a thing called artificial learning? That's probably there is. That's crazy. I haven't yet done anything with AI really. Well, I tried once back in 2017-18 on OpenAI. I had this OpenAI gym, or what was it called, where you could write some Python stuff. And no, that's pretty much it. I haven't tried AI since then. I use the LLMs for stuff, but besides that, I haven't like actually programmed anything to do with AI. Yeah. What am I trying to do right now? I'm trying to see. Yeah, okay. This is probably my main concern right now. So we are gonna pass in the extensions to the physical device, yes. And then we're gonna check that what are the extension counts, extension properties. Why do we have, well, doesn't matter, it's still on the stack and then it will be gone. So we're gonna propagate that, and then for extensions, I guess we could make the same. Can we make the same assumption here? We're not gonna create a. Yeah, no, Vulkan here. Because I don't want to create without. Yeah, we're not gonna run into a place where we ain't gonna have this scenario. So I think we can do the same for this. Because we didn't. Yeah. Yeah. So it's not even gonna be an optional. So we're just gonna go for each of these. And then we're just gonna check, and then missing extension, sure, missing. And then we're gonna find that, and if all of the extensions that it's good, queue priority. It's actually supposed to be a float. That's crazy. Why you this? How it does benefit you? Why I do this? There's multiple reasons why I do this. But I think the only thing you have to know is just because it's I can very easily abstract by just telling you why would you do anything. Whoa, that's beautiful W. Why do anything really? To be honest, if you think about that, you know, and I'm gonna give you a good answer. There is no good reason to do anything. But at the same time, if there's no good reason to do anything, then you could just do anything, because what else are you supposed to do? So I just do it because I can do something, basically. Of course I have other motives, but honestly that's when I'm just what else am I supposed to do? Lay in bed and do nothing? And it's also it's fun. You can see there at the top, in a sense, when you get things working, you understand what happens in memory and what goes on. Why streaming this? It's well, now you're getting into more motives why I do this. It's also kind of like it's nice to talk with people online about this. I have gotten in contact with many great developers because of the streams, and also I do YouTube video as well. Wait, you can type. Wait, can I type? I think I can type. Can I type? Where is the thing? Yeah, I can type. Wait, hold on. You can, let's see, I will help you out. Let's see, I think it works. I just implemented this. No, did it work? I don't think it did work. Great. I implemented it. I didn't implement anything, but I do YouTube videos as well. And it allows me to kind of like share more progress with people, you know, and get more people involved. So there's like, I do videos as well. Get in contact with a lot of good people who create stuff, and they help me out in return also, kind of. It's really cool. And also I like to practice kind of the videos has practice of storytelling. Live streams is also kind of like practice about how do I communicate, show stuff that people would be interested in. Also another great thing is people call me out on bullshit when I do something bad. So there's just a lot of benefits in just being more open and showing stuff, you know. Yeah, but there's a lot of like I can just whoop up like infinite of reasons to do anything and infinite of reasons to do nothing. I am quite philosophical in that sense, I guess. No, I think a lot about these things, and yeah. What I wanted to do is queue priority. So you have this, and then here you create info, queue priority, physical device. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Features. Now here's where things gonna get a bit interesting, because now we want the here we're gonna start enabling sync features, and then this thing. Apparently this one should be enabled by default. Let's see. So we have this one, scripter indexing. This one I'm not sure. Timeline semaphores. This one I probably don't have, but this one we do. And this one should be by default also. Device address. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna comment it out. And right, I'm stupid. That's okay.
That is okay.
That is okay.
Well,
And we're gonna search that one up, and then we're gonna take this one.
dude, what the fuck?
Descriptor indexing, Vulkan timeline semaphores. Is any of this like something that you need to enable anything, or do I just Not many can do this kind of software engineering. Keep going, great stuff. Thank you, Flippy Coater. I don't know, like honestly, I well, I have a lot of help, honestly. So, well, thank you still, honestly.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I wonder, is there like another? Do I have to enable
Thank
like, some
you.
kind of
Thank you.
extension, or is this just? Is it just there for features? Usually they say at the top or something like that. Feature. A somewhat esoteric feature is to signal a timeline on host. This can be used to kick the GPU. Semaphore signal info chrono signal. Okay, but that's not what I am asking for now. Feature. So are they like by? Well, I guess we'll run into it if it's not enabled. So, What we'll do instead is we'll change this thing to just be the sync to features, which is kind of, isn't that also by default enabled? Dynamic rendering I know is not by default, but this thing, let's see. Name that, go check it out. Wow, the speed is like super fast. Yeah. Let's see, because they usually tell you if they are in the default. This one doesn't say anything, but maybe I'm in the wrong page. Wikis type structure. So indicate whether implementation supports synchronization. Ah, here. Let's see. Extension device type. Last modified. Create. Wait, but is this? What is this for? Synchronization. Or extension and version dependencies. Yes. Uh-huh. I think, because if I take something like, okay, so if I go back to here and then we take this thing, and then, because this one I remember I read on the, let's see, I want to have, they say on the, it should be a hyperlink somewhere that I can just press, no. There, this thing. So, for,
Alright, I'll be black.
alright.
Back.
Device extension, and then it uses this one. It should say contact. Hey, come on! I know this one is if Vulkan have support for the is required. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to find. But then it should say that it's like just part of it. But I think that's I mean, or I could just run it, and then if it breaks, it breaks, and then I know it's not supported. What is your coding journey? What do you mean by that question? Like, cannot get that right. Bam. Do you mean just like when did I start coding, programming, and how it went, and how am I where I am right now? If that's the question. Let's see, then we're gonna get device info, and then we want the device, we're gonna create device, then we're gonna get the queue, and then create a command pool. I think that's okay. We are not gonna create the fence, no. Not yet. And I'm gonna leave that there, and let's see, let's try this thing out. Oopsie daisy. Okay, it ran at least, so that's pretty good. Yes, okay. So, oops. For me, I think I always have been talking about games mainly since I was, I don't know, 7-ish, around that age, 9, between this age. But I actually wrote my first ever program when I was, I think, 15, around that age. But I've been like thinking about game development and stuff since I was like 7 or 9, somewhere that age. But I wrote my first ever program, or it was a script in AutoIt. So it's AutoIt editor. Let's see here. Auto is a freeware basic like scripting language designed for automating the Windows GUI general. Well, I didn't use it for GUI. I used it in a game to create bots for me to do stuff. So that was what I did. It was pretty simple because you literally could find pixels on the screen and check their color value, and based on that make logic about if you should press somewhere, and that's literally all I did. And this was, wait, 15. How old? What? This is 2016 then, ish, somewhere that, because I'm born 2001. So yeah. And then 2017, I started with the web development stuff, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. This might have been also, no, it was probably around that, yeah. And then I went there, and then 2020, I went to the army because Finland has mandatory military service. And then I brought my laptop with me. I tried looking into Unity, so a bit of C#. And then 2022, whoa, 2022, I got enrolled in Hive Helsinki, where we program in C. And I was there until 2024. So I here just programmed in C and C++, and well, a little bit of some other programming languages, but this was like the main topics. The other ones, like, it wasn't that much. But 2024, and then I started at Obo Academy University. Great. And that's where I'm currently, and what I've been doing here is, well, basically this. I did a bit of Python, a bit of Unreal Engine. Then I started Vulkan with C++. Then I did something in Assembly 6502, Unreal. This was TypeScript, and this was OpenXR, Vulkan, and Zig. And yeah, now I'm working on this project. I also did some WebAssembly in between there. I didn't make a video about it. But now I'm working on this project, and this is what I'm trying to accomplish right somewhere over here. And you can see the progress there. We did a restart because I got more people involved. What the fuck is going on over here? Yeah. And yeah, I'm trying to make a kind of like Risk of Rain game, but on a planet. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I have been doing. And in school, in university, wait, where did I put the shit? I already lost it. That's great. Okay, great. It's okay. Ah, there it is. Here I have been doing Java and Python, but on my own free time I do Zig, C, C++, assembly. Yeah, and well, I did the TypeScript one. But in school I only have this so far. And mathematics, physics, and shit like that. Yeah. I just want to understand education in your country and how serious people are. Well, I don't know. I found that, well, I have been speaking with other people around the world what their education system is. Well, I have only been 2 years into university, so I don't guess it's not really fair to compare, but I have found that other universities have way more advanced and cooler stuff when it comes to programming so far. But 2 years in, I guess I cannot really say yet. I guess you have to look at the master's degree before you probably say anything, and I haven't gone there yet. So yeah, but at least the projects that we have so far in school have been kind of like Java and Python. I'm sorry. Java and Python, like, but it's okay. I guess, I don't know, because, well, I'm also doing engineering, so it's like, it's not, the main focus is not, well, maybe it should be. I don't know. But when I see what people do in other schools, it's like they're just doing, well, I guess maybe because I talk with people who have a lot of self-interest, and when it comes to school, they get to choose whatever project they want to create. And the people that I talk with make stuff like operating systems, debuggers, and this is like in C or something like that. So it might be just me getting the wrong picture. It could also be, you know. Why these many languages? Just because it's kind of like the thing that I wanted to create wanted or needed that language or was written in that language, so I created it using that language. Also, it kind of depends on, you know, when I started programming here, well, first of all, here I had no idea what the programming language was. I just used whatever I got my hands on. Then in here, I was like, I want to do game development, and then the only thing I understood was Unity, so it was C#. And then in here, I got introduced to C, and I loved it. And then I was like, you know what? Object-oriented programming, so freaking cool, right? And I just dive into C++ and was like, yeah, Unreal Engine, let's go. And then, well, here, now I'm like, now when I have tried it out for about, well, 2 years, I was like, nope, object-oriented, it ain't it. I wanted to go back to C, but then I got introduced more to Zig, and I was like, well, Zig is pretty, like, I still think C is better in the sense of how stable it is. Like, it won't change this how things work. Zig is still very unstable, but it has a lot of more clarity. For example, well, yeah, here I don't even pass in an allocator, but if I go one step up to here, this is the init function for the Vulkan renderer. And if you want to do an allocation, it's like Zig has such nice philosophy that you have to pass in an allocator if you're gonna do something with dynamic memory. Like, you're supposed to do this. If you're like, if you want to use that, you have to pass in an allocator. You could of course store this, but then you're just starting to make things again ambiguous and unclear of what's going on. So you shouldn't. You should always just pass it. I try to follow that rule. And it's so clear to know that if you pass in an allocator, then you know that that thing is gonna allocate memory, and probably you will have to also do some D in it or something like that. You know, so you just have more understanding of what your program does by just reading the code. And for example, in here I don't pass in an allocator, so I know it's just gonna be working with the stack memory, and then the same for here, this thing. Wait, no, yes. No, wait, because here I actually pass in no, but this is for a different thing. Okay, yeah, probably here I do something that might not be the best thing to do, but it's okay. I don't have to. No, that's fine. But yeah, that's what I love about Zig, and also the namespaces. The namespaces, they are so good, and compile time, and the build system. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I wish that I would just see if it just was as good as this. You know, if it just had these things, but it doesn't, sadly. How do you pay for your college? In India, we write entrance exam and get a seat in good college and get a job in placement in Unity itself. In Finland, I get student aid, I think it's called, and housing supplements, well, benefits for my apartment, and then I also get student loan, which has low interest rate, so that's how I pay for all that I do, and I put all of that money straight into, like, you're free to do exactly what you want with that money, but I'm putting it to the YouTube channels and just I'm learning more stuff immediately. Yeah. Kaboom! Switching to Linux, Windows sucks, feel the power. Exactly! Comported box is amazing. You are amazing. Linux is so good.
Yes.
You say? Bro, how do I exit full screen? Okay, yes.
How do I exit full screen? Look, yeah, Linux,
it's a really important question.
Linux has been it has been so great. It has been amazing.
Unlike your code. Yeah, that's right.
Hey, come on now.
Gotta start roasting him now, you know, I joined, so.
I think I would call it just... I would call logical device just device, a physical device, device. I think that makes sense.
Hold on, is this by any chance my code?
No, this is my code.
I don't think so.
I think so. You see, I have been so much inspired by you that you can't even differentiate if it's your code or mine.
That's crazy. Actually, no, this is not my code because I would never put a structure definition above the fields.
That's true. You wouldn't. I would.
Yeah. Alltså, ja, bra. Move that shit down. Damn it. Yes. Yes.
Oops.
Yes.
That's not what I intended to do.
Okay. Oh my god.
I wanted a new
Bro.
line. I wanted a new line. Okay.
Bruh.
Device is equal to try. I wonder though, like, is it like?
You wonder?
Because the people that I talk with, everybody's kind of like doing pretty sick shit, you know? And I don't know if it's because of university or if it's out of own interests, you know?
What?
Because
We're cooking. Well, now this is kind of something where you probably would like to take in the config again. This thing you don't wanna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing in here then, I guess. So we're gonna do extend device instance device.
Oh, shit! Oh. Divide.
How are you, Mr. Damon?
I mean, I'm alright. Hey, wait a minute. Who are you?
Can we Spanish guy?
Damon has been away for a long time. He doesn't know how to behave anymore.
What do you mean behave? You know what?
Yeah.
Yo, you just wait until you see what I got cooked up for you guys here.
You got something cooked up for me? Oh, so how kind.
Yeah, I've been cooking it for a couple hours now, and been laughing the whole time, man. It's just beautiful.
Oh wow, that's
I think you should
beautiful.
show it on stream.
That's true.
But it needs a couple fine touches here to make it even better.
It's a device. I'm just gonna call it device, yeah. Device.
This is better than the fever dream.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't know if you've seen the fever dream.
I haven't.
I'm pretty sure you did. It was like where you just kind of like walk down a couple hallways. and
Oh
press a
yeah, I have. I thought you were talking about some
And then,
movie
like,
or something. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, the fever dream I cooked up one morning.
Right, I remember
think
berries.
Yeah, and then you had Elon Musk doing his little dance.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Do you?
Yeah. I was
He
there.
doesn't remember.
No.
Alright. Well, this thing I'm cooking up here, it's even better. Woo. Woo. It's a little rough around the edges, but it's still funny.
Gets the job done. Hold on. That should be. I don't think there should be a semi. No, definitely not a semicolon over here. I just want to be able to. I'm installing it in a ThinkPad 3. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. 2026, the year of Linux desktop. Am I right, boys?
He's not wrong.
Exactly.
But he ain't right.
What the fuck? Missing struct build device. Yeah, so now I want to do device here. And then,
Divide. Oh,
what is the time there? It's 1:34 a.m. here, trying to complete project. It's 22:05. Yeah, I don't. I always say military time because I'm. I can't say. Can't say in. I can't. I would say military time. Use the unclear identifier. We should have. No, wait, but I have to do Vulkan. That's C, right? I think. Yeah, that's okay. That I'm fine with. Wait. Like so. Maybe type Vulkan. What happens? Oh no. Okay, wait, let's try again. Because this is a new multi-cursor that I got, so I'm a bit new to it. Let's see, Vulkan. What happens if you control Y? Oh my god, it works. Okay, that's so good. Okay, so then we should be able to do this. This is starting to look kind of nasty. Maybe.
Very nasty.
Very nasty. I really saw the video of PewDiePie and want to switch into Linux and but I'm lazy. Oh, don't be lazy, bro. Let me. You can dual boot the Windows, even though that's a bad idea. But you know, you could do that, and then I would probably do just Ubuntu probably if you want to get started. But here, like literally, here dual boot Linux and Windows install guide here. What the fuck? Visit Lucas. Okay. Wait, let me see. Can I will send it in the Twitch chat right there. Boom. There, bro. Get your Ubuntu. It's really good. Trust me, bro.
Get your Ubuntu today for only $9.99.
Well, yeah, Arch is. I would honestly love to suggest Arch, but it's a lot. So I mean, you can go straight to Arch Linux, but I think you will have to be kind of like a pretty dedicated person to do that. Only 8 gigs of RAM, bro. That's plenty. Well, I'm gonna show you my 64, but or 62.3. But yeah, I use 10 right now, but I'm streaming and Discording. I have a lot of Brave browsers going on. You don't need much. Like if I run my how much I have on my laptop, I think I have also 8 gigs or something like that. And I use like 1 gigabyte of RAM. Like it doesn't take anything. The only thing that you need is some what is it called? Storage. You just need storage to partition it into. Yeah, that's all you need, and then that's good. Then you don't need anything else. You're good to go. Oh, damn, that's not good to go. Comparison with null. Oh yeah, we don't want to do that. Which line was it? This line. Right, because we ain't gonna have this is not gonna happen. And if it happens, well then you're doing it wrong. And this application shouldn't run anymore. Because we're gonna be using extensions. So at intcat, why is it looking so funny? So this is literally the only valid case that should happen. Yeah. And yeah, because if you pass in a null in here, then the program better crash, because we are not gonna use a null here. If you're using a null here, then the render won't work because you're not having the extensions needed to run this thing. So that's just bad, and yeah, let's just crash the app in that case. You shouldn't get there. You shouldn't get here with a null. Yeah, okay, so now we got the device as well. Woo! Next thing, I think we want to use VMA. VMA is like, it's really good. I loved using VMA. But it might, depending on the, no. The VMAs would not be made redundant. We still, I don't know, because, damn. The sad part is that I should actually go sleep early tonight, because I have early school tomorrow. But I think I'll manage, you know. But I think we can take in the VMA. I think the VMA would be a fine addition. Let's see, there it is. And I think it would be good to have it probably around the same place as over there. But yeah, I'm kind of hyped for the master years, even though I still have like, I'm halfway through my undergraduate, but still, okay, a little bit more than not halfway. But I want something more exciting kind of stuff to work with, you know. But we'll get there. We'll get there. We'll go to war now. All right, we'll go to war. What will you go to war? Let's see, the Vulkan memory allocator. This is what we want to do now in the build system. But we only want to do this if we are not on Mac OS, because if we're on Mac OS, then Lorenzo will implement the metal renderer, and we don't wanna mess with that. Okay, that's bad. So here this thing here we do this, and I think we probably. Well, this is all like Vulkan related. Well, that's VMA is also Vulkan related, like it's literally stands for Vulkan memory allocator. And why would I try to type everything out again? I mean, I could do it for just to practice typing, but also like, why not just do this? It should be fine. Let's see. VMA dependency, translate C, include the path, target optimize, create modules, add include path. Now, the thing is, we also need to do the exe add root module add. Because we cannot do yeah, this thing add import, because we cannot do it through the, what the hell is just happening? exe.root module.add import, because if we do the, we cannot do it. We can, because we are creating kind of like the exe, and then we are no longer being able to, but we can still do it through this thing. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put VMA, and then in here we're gonna pass in the VMA. Is this VMA? I think it's like this. And that should give us the VMA. Let's see. Build it. It's built, great. Will you go to war now? Oh wait, will I go if needed? If in India it's very hard to go into military to do more population. If war happens, yeah, I mean I am registered in the reserve. I'm a medical man. So on the front lines. Yeah. Trust
We're
me,
gonna
bro.
be in the trenches in World War 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. See ya in the lobby.
Nah, bro. Nah. I mean, Harold and I are basically like tank pros.
Yeah, at least like show them my skills as a tank driver.
Yeah,
So I don't have a
make
gun.
us your enemies.
Medics
because we're just
do
gonna drive over your ass.
medics do have, but it's like it's actually more in the way than it's useful. Yeah.
Well, you can play with it.
Play with the gun.
Yeah,
Yeah, no.
exactly.
Yeah. Lucas, quiz time. How many bytes is a long double? Wait, is this the thing that we
A
spoke
long
about?
Bro, nah, this should be early, bro. Easy, bro.
Isn't it 64? Is it, or is it long double?
Bytes, bro.
Bits.
Watch out.
Oh, 8 bytes?
Bytes. I'm talking about bytes.
Is it 8 bytes? But I don't know, because double is 8, but a long... Because isn't that just an integer still, like same as saying int double? I would say 8 bytes. Am I wrong?
16,
Answer?
16, 16.
16.
Yeah, because it's a
Okay.
long double. It's
But
a
can you
long-
say... Okay, 16.
Yes.
Can you say long double?
I tried that. No.
Okay. Okay, wait, because here's long int 64.
Guys, what are your thoughts on long, short int?
Unsigned long double.
Okay, I don't know what I
integer.
was thinking, bro.
Yes.
What was I saying? I wasn't. No, wait, I was. No, I was thinking correct because double is
Bro,
8.
C types are so bad,
Yeah.
bro. It's so they're so bad. Like there are different sizes on different platforms.
Long
and it's
double.
weird.
Wait, what?
Bro, you call this a type system? God damn.
Yeah, okay, no,
But,
no,
like, for
no.
real though, I gotta say, types are just
Like,
ass. Like, I
Yeah,
mean,
bro. The
int is
English
clean.
ones.
Like, I like int.
Yeah, but it's not
But-
the fixed size, so it's bad.
Yeah, nah, that's better already. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. And the standard int things have like an ugly ass underscore t. Like what? Bro, it just be like Zig.
Why is there? Why would you? Would I do it like that? Vulkan. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Yes, and then
I will actually learn English now.
you're gonna learn English.
English.
It's about time, bro. I gotta say, you don't know shit, man. It's so hard to understand your German, and when every time you say just Krankenwagen, and that's all I know.
Ja, aber wirklich, Mann. Ich muss mal wirklich mein Englisch aufs nächste Level bringen.
Nein, Mann, das ist nicht gut.
Ja, aber ich mache immer so int, main,
Schlechter Deutsch.
int argc, Komma,
Nein, nicht das,
Pointer,
was?
argv, Leerzeichen, Curly Brace, Enter,
Chef, das Bürgermeister wohnt unter deiner Bett.
deinem Bett.
Deiner Bett, yes.
Deinem,
Deinem, ja, deinem. Ja, ja.
Where do I put this thing?
Und ich wohne
Oh.
unter deinem Boden. Ja.
yes.
Ja, ja.
Und Lukas ist ein N-U-T-T-I.
T-chef.
Bro, what?
What?
I know German, bro. I'm a professional.
Bro, Lucas, do you really let that do you with you?
No, what?
Ah, bro.
What do you think about war in the Middle East? I'm not really following that, to be honest. I don't know. I don't.
I'm trying
Device.
to get my Zig program here.
Const. Physical device. Physical device. I'm too busy trying to implement my Vulkan render. I don't have time for this war stuff. Device. Oops. Oh my god, now I jumped.
But Chef, don't you like my German? You know, my German skills.
And then we
Yes.
can go
Yeah.
to there.
You know, like D-N-U-T-T-I.
Mhm.
Liegt auf Lukas Bett. Yes.
What leaked out from me?
Trust me on that one.
Bro, how is it called again? How is
What?
single instruction multiple data SIMD?
SIMD, yeah.
Single instruction multiple.
Bro, I was
Simulate.
always thinking about the old one like SSE, and I
Is this?
What do you mean the old one? What?
Oh, yeah, what do you mean the old one?
you don't know SSE it was called before.
Oh yeah, wait, SSC. Yeah, wait. Oh my god, that's not what I meant, guys.
No, that's your neighbor. That's crazy.
That's not what I meant.
What was that?
Wait, what? What the
Bro,
fuck?
press on the back arrow. Press on the back arrow, Lucas.
I was supposed to search SSE and
I can
I
just look at the YouTube. stream,
Reflexes,
it's
bro.
not-
Reflexes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Bro, there was some reflexes there. Lucas is like, he's wanting to join them, I think. So it's like, he usually searches that.
Yeah, yeah. I'm a number one fan, you know.
Yeah, of course. Love the music, you know.
Wait, what? Single instruction, multiple data. Not what the fuck did I type?
Multiple data, single instruction.
Yeah. Yeah. Similar architecture which allows single instruction multiple unnecessary instruction sets which is implemented as simply architecture. Blah blah blah. Is there like something that just the Wikipedia?
I know
seemed to-
what the difference is. Lucas, yeah.
The letters are different, bro. They have different names. Duh.
SSE only has XMM wedge. But wait, I wanted to do a second quiz and wanted to ask you if I know say it. Wait,
No,
I'll
no.
go do second quiz first, bro.
But I don't know. I haven't used. I have just used SIMD. Haven't. I just know that this. I've heard this name because of the game engine architecture book that I read. They mentioned this quickly, but I don't. More than that, I don't know about it.
Yeah, I don't know about this because I never read that book. Yeah.
that's not the only book that would have it.
Nah, it's only one.
Okay, Lucas. Wait. Wait.
Are you not
Soon
afraid
I
that
will
Russia
look.
will invade your country if America leaves NATO? I don't. Honestly, like, no.
We
And
don't
I-
care.
I don't. And also, I don't like. What like I don't think what motives would Russia have to invade Finland?
The oil, you know?
The
the
oil,
food
the oil, the oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like that kind of oil, it's like cooking oil, okay?
Like even like if we didn't have any kind of defenses, if Finland was just completely alone, I don't think like Russia would have any interest in like if you don't think about it, what would they have to benefit in it?
Forest.
Well, forest, I
Showing
guess,
dominance.
sure, but like,
And getting revenge for what you guys did.
well,
You know, that winter. Yes.
Lucas quiz time part 2. How many bits are in a YMM0 register? Bytes,
16.
bits. 16
Bits,
bits.
16 bits.
How
Why?
many bits?
What is a
16.
YAM0? Is this for the SIMD? Or what is it for? What is the register?
Maybe, could be. Whoa. You can't just use Google here,
128 bits. 128 bits. 128 bits, my guess, yes.
I have to Google.
Actually,
Whoa,
1028 bits.
Okay.
I was almost right. I was gonna guess that one actually next up.
Okay, Lucas, how big is a ZMM0 register?
CMN what?
ZMM.
CMM.
MN.
So wait,
That's like a 128.
You mean wait CMM?
No,
One
Z.
twen-
Z.
You mean
like,
Z?
Z.
Yeah, Z. Oh yeah, boah.
C sets. Same. But
In
different.
German it's Z.
ZMM.
Wait,
Is it
German.
ZMM0 or just
Yeah.
ZMM?
Yeah.
0.
But
That's
what
it.
do you
ZMM and
think?
them.
How many are in that? You
Set
said-
them
X, Y,
Oh,
Z.
Davis
Well,
rap career.
Z comes after Y. So I would assume 250. Wait, what? 512. I would assume based on that.
67.
Yeah. See, big
Yes.
brain.
Okay. I'm gonna guess the
Damn.
next one, and I'll get it right.
I
One
have to
100%.
step my questions up, bro.
Yeah, you got to ask like how big is the XYZ register?
XYZ. But wait, so the X is there an XMMM also that is
Yeah,
128?
Yeah, 128.
Yeah, okay.
And by the way, now I can say the difference between SSE and SIMD is
Hmm?
SSE
names.
only has the XMM0 registers, so only 128-bit, but YMM, SIMD adds like YMM and ZMM. But the
Okay.
interesting part is, like, it's not that there are extra registers, but like, basically they are shared. So the ZMM register,
Hmm?
half of it is a YMM register, and then 1/4 of it is a XMM register.
Hmm.
So it's like basically like writing with EAX and just AX
Yeah.
and AL and AH. Yeah.
Okay. I think, yeah.
Right, maybe I will do a Vulkan question next.
Oh shit.
Problem is I'm not experienced enough.
Yeah, I should be.
Guys, I'm an expert in Vulkan, okay? I know what I'm talking about. I've actually
You do?
I've made Unreal Engine actually.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I sent the Vulkan question in the chat.
Finland
No
versus. Okay, wait. I will take the Finland versus Russia. The relationship between Finland and Russia is defined by a deep history of territorial conflict, a cold pace of Finlandization, and a recent sharp pivot for military confrontation following.
AI detector.
I don't know.
I'm turning on the AI detector here. Wait.
Like, I think.
I'm sleeping. It got it. There's lots of AI.
But like also just that answer, I think like a lot of media is just trying to terrify people. Like honestly,
Oh my god, the
Yeah,
media
big deal.
is actually
It's
a
just a
little
big ass
unhinged.
country with nukes and shit. Who cares?
no, but for real, like why would, like if Russia wanted to do it, they could, but why would they? Like it's
Show that they're better.
Lucas, the Vulkan question is in the chat.
for the Vulcan question,
No
yeah.
chat. What is the Vulcan question?
Lucas quiz time part 3. How high is Mount Fuji?
Oh, Mount Fuji in Japan. Like 3,225 meters.
Bro,
Close.
this is
It's
this
about
is
is it?
3,000.
Ah,
3,700. But
Okay,
it's an active
what's that?
volcano, like active like type of volcano. So this is why it's a Vulkan question.
oh my god.
Okay, guys, hear me out. This is a Vulcan question. How many active volcanoes are there in the entire planet, circa? Don't Google it either. Like, how many volcanoes ish
What do you
are
mean,
active?
Lucas? Height in kilometers, bro. You just use meters most of the time.
But I prefer kilometers, but okay,
I
meters.
prefer feet.
Inches.
Inches. Centimeters.
Centimeters. That's easy.
3,700.
Nanometers.
Yeah.
Bye man, see ya later. Okay, see ya Tony.
So, yeah.
Okay,
Nah,
okay,
I
so how many active
prefer
volcanoes are there?
The size, like my thing, how is it called? Unit that I'm always storing volcanoes in is the size of a single CPU transistor.
Right,
You know?
makes sense.
I call
A
it
transistor.
the CPU. No, I don't know. I got short thing for it.
You know, I
Okay,
usually
Harold, do
smash
you
in
wanna
bananas.
like say the next quiz?
The next quiz, yes, I wanna say the next quiz is how many active
No,
volcanoes.
wait. No. You gotta write it to me and I will write it in YouTube chat.
Okay, bro.
Tja. I'm just gonna get cooked by you guys, am I not?
Nah, but Harold, make it a good question actually. You know, not like my Vulcan question. I think it was too
Oh.
technical. Like
The
Right.
Vulcan question was too.
Hmm.
Brother.
Let's see. What is a good question?
Yeah, you can think about anything. I would say math, physics, or like computer science. Nah, bro, no, too personal, bro, too personal.
What is it personal? Where you live ain't personal.
Yeah, bro, you don't know who's listening on this live streams, you know?
Right. Just like the Mr. Epstein maybe. He's coming to kidnap you or something. All right, a real question here. Right.
Like, not gonna lie, you could also ask a Zig question and test Lucas' knowledge, you know?
Oh.
We could do that.
Let's not
Like,
go too
basically, like
crazy.
his,
No, it's good.
his
It's
test
good.
as a Zig programmer. and then it's like a joke question. Like you say, oh, what does it do? Blah blah blah, and then oh yeah, but you didn't say what version.
Yeah, now that's a tough question.
Alright,
Like if you
alright.
start asking
this
what
actually good.
version, then brother, I'm gonna. Oh no.
Yeah, it's gonna be like, where does Lucas live? Finland. That's all you need to know.
That is a good question.
Yeah, I actually don't know the English name.
But
That's
like
why I
group
this
8.
question.
I don't
18.
understand what you mean with group, but okay.
You know the periodic system?
Yeah, but it's just like the element 18 or what?
No, the group 18. There's groups and there's periods or whatever. Like groups represent how many shells they have. Or like
But there
how many?
aren't 18 groups.
No, there is though. Search periodic system, bro.
Am I doing?
It's like the horizontal thing that is the
Oops, my
group.
bad.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Exactly.
No, I didn't know it. That this was. Okay.
Ah, damn, how did you not know that? I mean, this is obvious. I mean, everyone should know this.
Oh
This is
no,
so
I
basic.
did know them, but I didn't know you would count like the middle ones as well. That's why I
Middle
thought.
ones.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean
like,
those? Right, yeah.
That's
Well,
why I thought there are no 18 groups. You know,
yeah,
because I
no.
thought like 8 shelled, like 8.
Yeah,
Fun
but,
fact: you can move back
this
and
includes the
forth using
metals.
Control B and Control F
Yeah.
in terminal, and if you wanna jump between words instead, replace Control with Alt. What? Wait.
Just use this code.
No. Control B and Control I.
No,
Oh, Control F.
No, not the Neovim in the terminal. That's how I understood it actually. Does it work?
Yeah, you can move between or like one character. Wait. Port using okay, and if you want to jump between words instead, you control. Yeah, okay, yeah, that thing, yeah. I don't know, but
Lucas, but you gotta answer the new quiz.
Which quiz? Ah, there.
You need
Also,
to check.
Teja, I sent a new question also that you can use later if you want to. I think it's a pretty good one.
Formula for.
What is group 18 in the periodic system called in Swedish?
The name of it. Yeah. No Googling.
Wait, you mean, group? You mean the column? Or what is the group? No, wait, there is not a, I don't know.
Bro, we're counting metals here also.
Edelgase?
Counting metals.
I don't know.
That is actually correct. I was bro cooking this badly. No, I was cooking too much.
Easy.
Alright.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, because I didn't know what you meant with line.
Yeah, I get it.
Wait, but I need to get the VMA undefined symbol VMA create allocator reference main. Am I just accessing wrong, or am I actually not connecting it properly? Create allocator.
Well, not Glyhold, I think, but our questions downgraded from difficulty a little bit. Like this, like class 7 math, and before we asked, like,
but
about-
Lucas is a dumbass. You don't know. You don't get this. Alright.
Or if he doesn't get this, then cooked.
Yeah, actually, if he doesn't get this is embarrassing. Lucas is way smarter than this.
Am I?
Because
Guys.
that's a new quiz.
Yeah, Lucas is not actually that dumb.
Luke's quiz time part
Sadly.
5. What Was is the formula for a linear
was.
Was.
linear equation? Is it just y equals x? You put them equal to each other.
Oh, nah, like
There's some more stuff there.
yeah, that's like you know how you have stuff.
You mean f
You
of
don't
x?
want to say like if you say f of x equals x, then
Yeah.
it's one linear equation, but you want to say the equation for a linear equation in general.
In general,
Yes.
I don't know, man. I just write f of x equals x or y equals x. I wouldn't know how to answer that one. Wait.
Just always.
But
So you
there's
make a
more
line
like,
that-
for example, how
Yeah.
you can like offset it on the y-axis, you know?
Oh, you mean using like f of x, for example, c plus, and then x. So then you will.
Yeah, but there's even more.
There's more. You can. Wait. You mean powers?
Then it's
What?
not a linear equation anymore.
Oh, that's
I don't know what that
exponential. Wait, so multiplication?
Yes.
Ah.
But how is it like? What's the
Formula.
F of
Equation.
x a plus b times x.
What?
I don't know.
That's not even close.
Wait, no, wait. Actually, it would work,
What?
but you use different letters.
Okay, I don't know, but that's probably because it's Finnish and Finnish people are so special.
No, because I don't pay attention to these things in school. I'm just like, I just need the answer. Nah.
Should we tell him?
Like, honestly, like, when it comes to me and doing the math test in school, most of the time I'm just, like, struggling to understand what I'm
F.
supposed to do. Answer, yeah,
Lucas,
okay, mx
Yeah.
plus
I actually
b.
got back a math test I did, and I everything was right.
Mm.
It was like the easiest test in my life.
Harold, I have such a good question for Lucas, but I forgot it like 10 minutes ago.
That's
10
great.
minutes ago, right.
Oh, I should have written it down.
VMA create allocate. Undefined
Yeah.
symbol, but what? Oh, wait, no. But it does. Oh, wait, so it finds it, but it just doesn't find. Okay, what? So I'm linking something
Oh, yeah,
wrong.
I'm having a note.
What am I linking wrong? How do I link the VMA stuff? Am I not supposed to link it? I think I'm supposed to link it. VMA. Oh,
Okay,
right.
Lucas.
I need this
Oh,
thing.
whoa, I can't count. Fuck. And I can't change my message anymore.
Lucas quiz time part 4 again. Explain how to generate the
Nah,
Pascal
five.
triangle.
He's cooked.
What is a Pascal triangle?
You don't know?
I don't even know. I don't even know.
What's a
Yeah,
Pascal?
it's-
I forgot to answer. Lorenzo responded to my GLTF thing. I should answer him.
Damn, maybe I should put that in the quiz.
Yes.
Not gonna lie, Harold, we need to step up our question game. Next one is, how do you solve the Fourier, discrete Fourier transform for this set of... nah.
Oh my god. Actually, that would be so good because then I would actually have to. Yeah.
Today in school, I spent 2 hours, instead of like doing the exercise our teacher gave us, I spent 2 hours explaining to a friend of mine the Fourier transform and rotation with I.
Yeah.
And he went insane, and now we have like a meme, because every time I say like a trigonometric function, he's looking like very disturbed.
Bro, I'm
Because,
looking
like-
disturbed just hearing this. Bro.
All right, I think it's ready. Who wants to be my victim?
Me?
Harold?
Yeah, I'll be your victim.
All right, all right,
So
all
where's
right.
the, where's
see,
the
yes,
island
But
then?
Lucas, answer the quiz.
But
Lucas doesn't want to watch.
I need to. I don't even know what the.
Okay, you are allowed to Google how it looks. I can say if the Pascal triangle is very useful.
Oh, Harold, you're gonna love this.
Wait,
man. I've been
let me
making this
quickly
for the last
just get
couple
this
hours.
thing.
Alright,
But now I would like. Do I need this? Wait, this is just. Yes, this is just the EXE.
Wait, Lucas, I have an easier question for you.
No,
How
no,
many
no.
time zones are there?
24?
Oh, there's 12.
No,
Yeah.
20. Isn't there 24?
Actually, I don't know. Like, I know there's UTC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, I think there's only 12.
Is there 12?
12, yeah, 12 should.
Yeah, it's on,
But how is
only
that-
12?
Possible, because it shouldn't. If you go. Yeah, but how does that work? Because there's 24 hours in a day.
Time.
Do we just like shit on half of that day?
Wait, 1,
Alright,
2,
Harold.
3, 4,
Alright,
5.
Harold.
Wait 1 sec. Wait, 1. What?
Wait, that's
No,
24
that-
hours.
Okay. Well, seems like everyone's a dumbass.
Except for me, I said
I guess
24.
Lucas is right.
No, Lucas, you're still wrong. You didn't say
But Lucas,
24
search
time
Haskell
zones.
triangle now. Search
Wait,
Haskell triangle.
I'm just gonna get this to compile, then I will do it.
But Lucas, you were wrong because you only said 24. You didn't say 24 time zones.
Oh yeah, bro.
Still didn't
Yeah,
file.
for what, bananas, bro? Nah.
Exactly, like 24 meters, like what we're talking about here. This is how math teachers be like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please compile, please compile.
It didn't. It says that
Yeah.
SCSTD int file not found, and it comes from this thing.
Link
Yeah,
C++,
because you
bro.
shouldn't include C++ files.
All right, come on,
Oh,
Harold.
wait,
but
it's
like-
a C++. It's a C++
Oh.
I'm aware.
source file.
I'm
I
aware.
sent it to your Discord.
So then I need to link
Discord.
with.
Oh,
Where do wait? Link
It's just a little
CPP.
quickie.
Wait. Go to wait. Now before that, go to vkmem.alloc.h.
Okay, now it's, let's see. It compiles further to this.
Okay.
No,
okay,
yeah, I
then
need it
go-
for VMA, so that's why.
Yeah, I know. I forgot.
You gonna stream it, Harold?
Yeah, okay, now it ran. I thought it was I thought it was a C
Okay, now
file.
actually, let's.
Why is this? I thought it was a CSTD int. Why is
Yeah,
it?
because
Wait.
because it's in C, it's standard int.h.
Oh.
But every header, which is C++, doesn't have a .h, so you can actually differentiate between it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so every header, like
Yeah.
IO stream, doesn't have a
Do you
.h,
have to
so you
stream
can
on it?
actually
You should be
see
able to
what's
just
the
double click it.
difference.
Didn't it?
But
Wait.
C++ also has libc, so there's also like C standard IO, C
Oh,
standard
nice,
int,
nice.
C standard everything.
guys,
Wait,
look at my
what?
stream. Look at my stream.
Oh wait.
Then look Harold stream.
Yeah,
and
bro.
put it on the big
Yes, big screen. Okay.
Wait.
I can't
What?
see
Can answer? Harold,
Yeah, I
can you
mean,
say? Can you say again what was the thing,
I can hear
T-shirt, with
something.
the?
After Harold stream, After
Huh? There's so many people asking things and I just hear waves. Oh,
Let's see.
Wait, Lucas, watch Harold stream. This is like a one in a lifetime's experience.
watch
Okay.
the stream.
Okay, watching.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, okay, this Damon's game here.
You're in depth minus 8.6
Is this
meter.
draft?
I'm going to an island. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
no.
Or a dip.
Oh, hell no, bro. What is this? What?
Go for it, dude. Come on, man.
The depth it ain't increasing. Oh, now it's
Yeah,
increasing.
'cause he's got to press space or control.
Space, okay.
But what is
I can't hear
waiting on the
nothing.
bottom of our ocean? Any
You can see my
information,
depth.
anything?
You
Yeah,
can see my
'cause you
depth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had to
I'm
add the
not gonna
depth
lie,
because
you're a
otherwise
good-
it's hard
you're
to
a
tell if
good
you're going
diver.
up or down.
Yeah, I'm a cave diver.
See how far you can get.
I don't know if this is very realistic here. I think
But-
my lungs would explode.
Imagine if there's no
Nah,
end.
no,
You're
don't worry about
just.
it. You're not a human.
Imagine if you just there's no
Oh.
end. You just keep on going forever and ever. That like there's no
Yeah.
end.
This is like
Yeah,
10,000
good
meters now.
Trust guys, it will come soon.
Yeah.
That's-
I can't
well,
wait
it's
for
not too
Yoss.
far away.
Hello,
Can't wait for
Chupaker.
Yoss to come and date me.
Okay, like Harold, I think Damon
I
150
think you hit the
meters
ground.
down would be
There
the
you go.
sweet spot.
There you
Oh.
go.
Nah, bro, it's still wait. Oh, hell no.
Okay, wait,
I
how long?
gotta eat it.
Okay, T-shirt. While we're
Yeah,
watching
what does
this,
it
while we're watching this, could you explain the CPP
Did you
thing?
say hell no? I can't tell because video quality is
Yeah.
so low.
What?
Bro, where did it go?
Oh, I only see blue. What do you see?
Don't worry about it.
You don't see anything? Oh, no, wait. I see the floor actually. It's like yellow dark. I saw like a
Yeah,
whale
okay, I
also.
also see it a bit.
What?
Yeah, but like, you guys don't see shit or what?
Now we
Is
can
that
see it, but
Go up to
screen
like
space
100
refracting on
meters.
this water? Don't know.
Oh damn, this is actually okay. I see the floor here.
It's yeah, okay, well screen space refraction. Like wait, what is screen space refraction?
Oh hell no, man. The fuck?
I have no idea.
Gotta love the great
Yeah, we
bit
can't,
rate.
can't really see it, man. I know you can see it.
Oh, there is something.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's so ugly.
Okay, or okay, teacher, explain the CPP thingy linking. Or live
Link
headers.
CPP, bro.
No, the
Oh, I thought you were talking about the Pascal triangle.
no, the headers.
It's not that deep. You have like for C++,
Mm.
you have also the C library, right?
Yeah.
Damn it, is this the
So-
entire game?
To see like
Well,
the
damn,
difference
for some reason you're not
between
like
the C
try
library
to reset
and
it
the
and
C++.
don't go all the way down to the bottom.
Every C++
reset
header
the app,
doesn't have a .h at
just
the end.
kind of
Like,
go
no
down back
extension.
down to like 80 meters like you were just.
But you
Okay.
also have like, so you have in C you would use standard int.h, but in C++ you would use C standard int and no
You
.h.
shouldn't have to go
Or
too
C standard IO. But like
And you
most
just
of the
got
time you would
unlucky
use just C++
spawns.
headers.
Mm.
But yeah.
because
Mm.
it is a
Load
long
CLTF into vertex array and
right about
index
here, maybe,
array.
Yeah, here. And then just kind of
Load the animations.
look around. Oh,
So it does not load the skeleton.
Does it have like a collision? Or like what?
Heard you
Can't
have
really
I
60
can't.
meters.
I can't see onto the
I'll just
screen.
put hierarchy.
But I can tell you're
Yeah,
kind of looking
yeah.
at it.
Yeah, I am. Well. Okay, I mean it's ugly. So
What is that even?
it's a whale or something, I don't know. So Damien, what's the is this the game?
Uh,
Yeah, this
doing
is it.
refraction, but instead
Yeah.
of doing it for real, you just
That's
like
it.
something the screen.
And then where's the loud music and the spinning cats?
Yeah, the
Bro,
spinning
where's
cats.
yours at?
Yeah, I gotta send it to Tisha because you can't really see it through the stream. It's really bad.
Yeah.
T-Chef's gotta see it firsthand.
I'm gonna clip into its tail, or oh, I'm inside of it or something. Oh, hold on, wait a minute.
Whoa.
Bro, it's eating me. Wait a minute, there's two of them at the same time. Wait, what? Hold on, wait, what? Wait a minute. This ain't. Bro, this one is bigger.
Okay, now I
This
can
one is
see it
massive.
in the stream, though.
All right, but I think
Bro,
we'll
you
end
see
it.
this?
I need to go to sleep, just so I
But
don't.
we also gotta
remember-
answer question part P4 first, though.
I already answered P4.
Nah, I
Pas-
love P4.
Pascal
Don't worry,
triangle.
death might come. Patch 2.0.
Perfect. Bro, you gotta have some like spearfishing.
And what was the question? Explain how to
How
generate the
you
Pascal.
generate-
Yeah. Damn it, add spearfishing, goddammit.
So wait, this is just. Wait,
Thanks for trying.
is it taking the like combination of the parent, like the two
Yes.
adjacent? But how would you go about? Would just do 0, 1 here, but what's the algorithm? Because it's kind of like, okay, if you do 2,
Now you always add one, like 1 basically.
if there's. But if you start from here, like it's the root, right?
Yeah.
And then you do create 2 children. And then these 2, but how do they know that this is like the combined children, kind of like, because they have
Once
the.
you add 1.
Bro,
plus
look at my
1.
stream. Damn.
You had 1.
Oh, hell no, Damon. It's just flipping.
Nah, you add always with 1. If you look further down.
This
Oh,
could
yeah?
be the
Bottom now?
title screen. I'm trying
Yeah.
to get there so I can walk off the map.
I don't know if you can. Well, the map's fucking huge, man. It's like it's massive.
Like your mom?
Hey, yep. Yeah, very much
Yeah,
so.
Yeah, that's what they do there, but
I don't remember the bottom of the ocean being pitch black, but that's
It-
maybe just me.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna put some things on the ground right now. If that what
Yeah.
you
I
want.
think gigs for
Add some
gigs.
gravel and some ships. You know, these
As-
like big ass crater ships.
I got this abandoned
This gigs
city
for-
pack. I would just throw like these like
Mm.
big city bottom here.
Bro, the sound just looped. That was awful.
I didn't spend very
Look at this.
long on sound.
Bro, look at this shit. They be kissing.
They're making out. They're making out.
What? Bro, what is this? I don't remember this being real.
All right.
Well, you gotta admit they're kind of terrifying.
But
Yeah,
we'll end it
guess.
here. Continue tomorrow. Good night.
Lucas, you
Hmm?
know, okay, I can show you after stream.
Yeah. All right. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. We'll do.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Some extension stuff.
Bye.
Finally.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Obama.